In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use speech-to-text, or dictation, in Notion. If you've ever wanted to streamline your note-taking process or just prefer speaking over typing, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you're set up in no time to efficiently use your voice for text input in Notion. Let's dive in. First, make sure you navigate to your connected workspace in Notion. This is where you can manage all your wikis, documents, and projects, providing a seamless environment to incorporate speech-to-text. If you aren't logged in already, you'll need to do that next. Simply click on the Login button and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on the Notion homepage, a centralized space where you can access all your Notion activities. Now, you need to click on a page or a database within Notion. This is essentially the canvas where you'll be inputting your notes or data using dictation. It's important that when you select your page or database, you click precisely where you want the text to appear. Think of it as setting a starting point for your voice input, so whichever spot you click on will be the designated area for your dictation to begin. Next comes the magic step. This is where you activate the speech-to-text feature. For Windows users, you'll need to press the Windows key plus the letter H on your keyboard. Doing so will bring up the dictation toolbar. This tool allows Windows to listen to your voice input and transcribe it into text on your chosen Notion page. While using this feature, make sure to speak clearly and at a steady pace. This ensures that your words are accurately transcribed and minimizes errors. If you're new to dictation, it might take a little practice to get the hang of speaking in a way that translates well to text. But don't worry, with some experimentation, dictation will become second nature. Remember that punctuation can be verbally commanded. Say comma, period, or question mark to include those in your text. It might feel a bit odd at first, but it greatly enhances the readability of your notes. If you find any errors in transcription, you can easily correct them. Just click on the underlined text and edit directly. Or stop the dictation to make the adjustment and then resume dictation by pressing Windows key plus H once more. Utilizing the speech-to-text feature in Notion is a fantastic way to enhance productivity, allowing you to capture thoughts swiftly without breaking your flow. With these quick steps, you're now ready to fully embrace the power of dictation in Notion and streamline your workflow like never before. Happy note-taking!